Hello, my name is Fernando Moro. I'm assistant professor in the Department of Civil Engineering at the University of New Mexico, and I'm here to talk with you about the invention that we developed at our laboratory at the University of New Mexico, which is related to infrastructure safety. In civil engineering and any other areas in society, we have a big problem with the infrastructure decay. The American Society of Civil Engineers gave a D+ on that grade, which is not a good grade. And we are looking for innovative means to inspect and address quantitative methods to prioritize what can we replace first. There is not enough resources and the need is becoming more and more pressing. The technology that we have developed here at UNM resides in integrating a laser measurement for dynamic vibration of an event. Could be a train crossing about your old railroad bridge, or it could be a vibration in an industrial setting where you don't want to exceed certain thresholds. That displacement can indicate the levels or the different fragility levels where you want to choose which infrastructure gets replaced first. The need is solved by flying this drone to a very high elevations or very remote locations where you wouldn't want people to access. And secondly, people cannot even measure this displacement because they need technology to collect that displacement. So that's why we are combining the remote access with drones with the precise displacement measurement. The technology is being followed by our TRB Safety Idea Grant. We received an award from the National Academy of Science, and they sponsored it for phase 1. We got results on the laboratory and on the field, and we applied for an implementation phase, which has been awarded. So we will be testing under real trains and railroad bridges in the fall, and we're looking forward to share with all of you